Hello, welcome back Noble Ones. My name is Mitzi. Today we are going to do a 10-minute no wrist yoga practice, incorporating sun salutations to feel great but avoid putting any extra pressure on your wrist. If you, like me, are suffering from a wrist injury, then it is best to rest your wrist. Doesn't mean that we have to stop practicing, all it means is that we need to modify. So all you will need is a mat. If you are ready, let's begin. So standing at the top of your mat, let's start by grounding through our feet, feeling the base of the big toe, base of the little toe and your heel very connected to the mat. Start to feel that intention work up your legs, maybe engaging the muscles in your legs, your bottom, lower belly. Bring your shoulders up to your ears and allow them to fall away from your ears as you exhale. Turn your hands gently forward. Allow your crown to start to get long, feeling a lengthen at the back of your neck, feeling long through your spine. Just staying here for a few moments, bringing your intention to your breath. Maybe bringing that audible ujjayi breath to your practice today, providing an anchor throughout today's flow, remembering to never compromise the breath for the posture. Let's take 2 more breaths here. Maybe setting your intention today, knowing that this practice is going to help you to effortlessly flow through your day and feel great. On your next inhale, let's blink our eyes open. Inhale, reach our arms up overhead, palms together. Exhale, forward fold. Coming down onto your knees. Coming into our low plank. Inhale, exhale, lowering your knees, lowering your belly and your chest to the mat as you exhale. Inhale, sliding your hands forward, Sphinx pose, opening up through your chest. Imagine you've got a string attached to your sternum, drawing it up. Exhale, tuck under your bottom, transferring onto your knees. Curl your toes under and send your hips up into dolphin pose. So this is our modification of a downward facing dog. We can't put weight through our wrists, but we can still get that opening in our upper back. 3 breaths here. You can allow your neck to relax, looking through your legs. Pushing your shoulders open. Palms can be together, you can be interlacing your fingers. Inhaling and exhaling fully here. Good. Lowering your knees. Slowly keeping your head down, making your way to the front of the mat. Forward fold. Inhale. All the way up. Exhale, hands down by your side. Let's flow through that again. We'll go slightly quicker this time. Inhale, reach arms up, palms together. Exhale, forward fold. Let's inhale, halfway lift this time, shoulders away from our ears. Exhale, we're lowering down to our knees. Forearms down. Coming into our plank, holding plank here. Inhale, exhale, lowering your knees, your hips and your chest and chin. Inhale, pushing through your hands, sliding them forward. Sphinx pose, opening up your chest. Exhale, interlacing fingers together, lifting up through the lower belly, sending our hips up, curling under our toes, dolphin. 3 breaths here, pushing forearms into the mat. Open your chest a bit more. Remember, you can bend your knees if that helps you to send your hips higher. Feel free to walk your feet a bit more forward for a deeper stretch. Inhale and exhale here. Lowering your knees. Keep your head low as you step forward. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, folding again. Pressing through your feet. Inhale, all the way up to stand. Palms together overhead. Exhale, hands down by your side. I hope you're starting to feel a bit more warmed up. We're going to flow through a modified variation of our Sun Salutation B, Namaskara B. So we're going to inhale, sink hips back into chair, palms together overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Now, without putting any weight in your hands, again, you can use your hands for stability. Step back with your right leg, lower your knee, uncurl your toes, reach your arms up overhead, palms together. Exhale, sinking into a low crescent, gazing up at your thumbs. Exhale, curling under your back toe, trying not to put weight through your hands if you can, stepping forwards. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stepping back with your left leg this time, lowering your knees, uncurling your toes. Inhale, reaching up, palms together overhead. Exhale, sinking through your hips, looking up at your thumbs. Good. From here, we're going to transfer onto our knees, and then we're going to lower down into our plank. Inhale, hold plank. Exhale, lowering your hips, your chin and your chest. Inhale, pushing up into Sphinx. We're getting that heart opening without loading our wrists in upward facing dog. Exhale, link your palms together. Push through your elbows, curling under your toes into your dolphin. Taking a breath here. Pushing through your forearms, seeing if you can open your chest, finding that extension in your armpits. Good. Exhale, lowering your knees, keeping your head down, stepping to the front of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, sink into chair. Exhale, hold. Inhale, all the way up to stand, hands down by your side. Okay, let's do that again. Inhale, reach up into chair. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back with your right leg. Keep your knee lifted this time. We're going to inhale all the way up into warrior one. Exhale, forward fold, bringing your right leg to the front. Inhale, stepping back with the left leg, warrior one. Inhale, palms up over your head. Exhale, coming down to your knees. Transitioning into our low plank. Holding for a breath. Lowering your knees, your hips, your chest and your chin. Inhale, push up into Sphinx. Exhale, linking back together, engaging your core, pushing your bottom up into your dolphin pose. Good. Inhale. Exhale. See if you can come up a bit higher, walking your toes a bit further forward, encouraging your heels down to the mat. We're getting the same leg stretch as our downward facing dog. Similar opening in our shoulders. Exhale, lowering our knees. And we're just going to lower our head down. Return your hands behind you. Just find a child's pose here. Maybe taking a few breaths, swaying side to side, rocking on your forehead. Just returning to your breath. Noticing as you inhale and exhale. Good. Slowly rising up to a comfortable seated position. Hands by your side. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead, palms together. Exhale, drawing your hands to your heart center. Bringing your thumb knuckles to your third eye, gently bowing your head. Taking a moment to thank yourself for practicing today. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. I hope it's helped you to stay a bit active if, like me, you're struggling with a wrist injury. If you have any comments, any other modifications you'd like me to try, please let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. As always, take care.